Okay, so in the last class, we have already learned how to insert pictures, how to crop pictures, how to do text wrapping, what is the use of text wrapping, how can we create shapes on in Word, and how can we insert text boxes. Now, this time we will learn how to use word art and how to give borders and shading. So let's start. Let's start with the borders and shading first. So if I wanted to insert border to my page, first I am going to give a page color so that it can look more beautiful. Go to page layout tab, then go to page color and choose a color. You can use a simple color also, and you can go to fill effects also, and you can use two different colors as a combination. So I'm using two different colors, and I'm using purple color and pink color, and it should be diagonal down. I wanted to use, out of these four, I wanted to use, let's say this one. Okay. So this is how my page will look with two different shades. Now I wanted to give a page border. So I'll go to page border inside the same tab, page layout tab, go to page border, and from here, from artistic, if you want to give a simple border like this one and you wanted to give a color to the line, so let's say I wanted to give a purple color to my border, I can draw a thickness also, we can increase. Let's say I want my line to be this much thicker. ऐसे आप कोई भी border select कर सकते हो, like let's say this one, and the width should be of this size and purple color. So we can make up borders like this, and okay. So a border, a simple border. This is a way to insert a simple border. Now how to insert some artistic borders. So you can go to art, and these are the different types of borders which you can insert. Okay, there are many different borders. You can choose any one of them. So because my theme is purple, so I will choose something related to purple or pink. So let's say this one. No, this is not looking good. Let's check this one. Okay, this is fine. Okay. Like this, you can insert different borders. But I don't want it to choose some artistic borders because it's a professional book. तो book में कभी ऐसे borders नहीं होते हैं normally. ठीक है? तो हम instead of using these borders, I will choose this one only. Not this one. I will choose this one. Right? Like this, I have given a border to my page cover. Now I wanted to insert, okay, so I'm going to change the page border also. Let's say I wanted to create a zigzag border, and the color should be purple, not this purple, and the thickness, okay, thickness, we have only this one thickness for this. Okay, if you want to give any 3D effect, okay, so this type of border will be inserted. So it is totally up to you which type of border you wanted to insert. Now let's come to the word art. So how can we insert the word art now? Word art will give you a stylish font, or you can rotate your text using word art. So it will, using a word art, you can insert the stylish text on your page, right? So how can we insert a word art? Now there are two different options. Either you can go to the insert tab and there is an option of word art. You can click on this and these are the different type of word arts which you can insert, right? So this is one option. Second option is like, suppose I have written the name of the book. Let's say it's Computer World. Or let's say before writing the name of the book, I wanted to write the name of the school. So that is CRPF Public School. And in the next line, I wanted to write Dwarka. So now you can select your text, go to Home tab and these are the different types of fonts which you can use. Similarly, from the, you can choose the themes also for your page. So automatically colors will also change if you will choose theme. Okay. So right now we don't want to use like this. We want to use the word art. So either you can simply change the text, color, size, and everything like this. Or second option is you can insert a word art. So how can we insert a word art? Go to insert tab, go to word art, choose a type of word art which you want. Like suppose, let's say I wanted to insert my text in this way, but not of red color. But still we can choose this one first. Color we will change later. So right here, now I wanted to write CRPF Public School. And in the next line, I wanted to write Dwarka. We will increase the size like this. You just have to, for increasing the size, what we have to do, we have to bring our cursor to this corner, both left side and right side, and you can increase the size like this. The now right now we are just increasing the box size. Now how we will increase the size of the font? Select your text, go to the format tab. As soon as you will select your text, this format tab will appear. Now first of all, I wanted to change the color of this. I don't want red color, I want purple color. बॉक्स का कलर नहीं चाहिए हमें पर्पल, हमें टेक्स्ट का कलर चाहिए. So we will go to text fill and choose purple color. Shape fill, no fill, text fill, purple, right? And text outline, let's say मुझे white color की चाहिए. So this is text outline. You can also choose any other color if you want. Let's say up, you can choose the red one for outline. Sorry, I'm choosing text fill. You can choose red one for outline. So this is how it will appear. So it is looking much better, I think. So I'll choose the red one. Now I wanted to change the way it is coming. So I want this text to appear in a circular way, not very simple. So go to text effects and choose 3D option. These are the different types of 3D options which you can choose. Go to transformation and these are the different types of transformations which you can give. So I want my text to appear like this. Okay, this one is fine. So जो ऊपर CRPF है, it is coming in a circular fashion and Dwarka is coming straight. So I wanted to choose this one. Now increase the font size. Go to home tab. Go to home tab and select the size. Let's say 72. Okay, now this is fine. Now in my book, I wanted to insert a picture here, which should be related to something computer. And before inserting a picture, I also wanted to insert the name of the book and the class for which we are designing the cover page, and that I wanted to insert here. So I can again go to insert. I can again choose word art. Now this time you can choose a different option. Let's say this one. So where it is inserted, I think, okay. So let's again click on this. So here is the text. I wanted to move it, change it. Let's say the name of the book is Computer World. And this is for class 5. Bring it in the center, first of all, because class 5 should appear in the center only. So select your box, go to Home tab and choose Center Align. Okay, now let's decrease the size because the size is too big for the name. So let's say we will choose 28. Now change the color, go to the Format tab, go to Shape Fill and choose a different color. Let's say this time I wanted to use purple with a different outline, with a purple outline only, or with a black outline. This you have to try and check whatever is looking more beautiful, that you can set according to your requirement. So like this, now we can place here. And now I wanted to insert a picture here in between, right? So let's search for the picture. So because this is a computer book, so let's say we want to write children learning computer, yeah, or using computer, and we want a PNG image. PNG images are those images which don't have any background with it, right? So we can go to image and let's check whether this one is a PNG or not. So yes, it is a PNG. Copy this image, paste it on your screen. Okay, now right click on your image. So image is now behind this text. So I first have to move the text so that I can adjust my image. Okay, where is my text now? Okay, वो नीचे चला गया थोड़ा, कोई बात नहीं, हम उसको बाद में ऊपर ले आएंगे. Let's check, change the image first. So this is my image. Reduce the size of the image first. Now right click, bring it down, reduce the size again because this is still too big. Shift the image. CRPF पब्लिक स्कूल का साइज बहुत बड़ा हो गया है, so let's reduce the size. Okay, now we can so as soon as I'm trying to click on my image, I'm not able to shift that image because Because it was behind the text. So you have to shift your text first, then only you can right click on your image and go to wrap text and choose in front of text now. Now you will be easily able to move your image wherever you want to move, right? Like this. And now we can increase the size of this again. Size of school is comparatively smaller than the other one. So select your whole text and choose the size. Okay. And now you can increase the size of the image and you can place it like this. Let's check now how it is looking. So this is my cover page of the book. You can also design in a similar way, and if you want to add something else also, like the one I have shown you, this one. So here what we have added, we have also added the names of few chapters using how can we rotate the names using word art only. So let's say I am going to add internet in this form. So how can we do that? We will go to insert word art, choose a type of word art. So I'm not going to change any color and anything. I just wanted to show you. Even I'm not going to change the text. So directly go to text effect, choose transformation or maybe 3D rotation and choose in whatever way you wanted to display your text, right? And even you can choose transformation and in whatever way you wanted to display your text. So like this, I have rotated my text, but using this circle, green circle, even I can rotate it more. So like this, if I wanted to display something, I can rotate it. I can change the text. Let's say the first chapter is internet. So I've written internet and now the text is coming like this. So like this, you can do the designing of the cover page of your book, right? So I hope it is clear to everyone how can we design a cover page for the book.